Welcome to Patio Kits Direct. Today we're going to go over our combination cover. Some people want a portion of their patio cover to be full shade and maybe another section to be half shaded, okay? So in this representation, a solid cover, it could be our solid non-insulated or insulated, is coincide with our lattice cover. We have a lattice 2x2 as far as the tubes are concerned, or a 2x3. 2x3 gives a little bit more shade because it's a little bit wider. So to kind of go over that, a lattice and solid combination cover works from left to right or vice versa. It's never meant to have coming out from the house the solid and then lattice, because the solid cover has a full gutter system to take into consideration. You wouldn't want that in the middle of your patio cover. So this lets in the sun, but it's also going to let in a little bit of the rain. So take that into consideration when you're doing your measurements. So what we would need from you is we would need to know from left to right how much solid you want, and then continuing on your house or freestanding, how much of lattice you want for the length. Projection can be whatever you want it to be. We'll match those up on both sides where it matches up with the tails of the solid and the rafter style right there, okay? Any questions, feel free to reach us at patiokitsdirect.com, 888-851-8351. Thank you very much.